Today's video we're going to be comparing a fake and real Louis Vuitton Trio messenger bag, so let's get them both and do a comparison. So the real one comes very well presented. It has all the tags. All the tags are in envelopes, and all the documentation's in envelopes. The fake one just is the bag inside the box, and all the documentation is underneath. You can see a clear difference in the presentation between the two. I'm not sure what these fake receipts say because it's in a different language. They seem to be authenticity labels, I guess. But yeah, these are all fake. First thing is also this dust bag which comes with it. The Louis Vuitton one is very premium, very soft. The bag's inside this dust bag as well. With the fake one, it's just very cheap, I guess. It's very rigid. The lettering is very small compared to the original. Mine also came a bit stained, which you can see there. Now let's look at the coin pouch. Top one's fake, bottom one's real. A clear colour difference. The fake one, it's kind of like a browny grey colour. You can also see the shape is a bit more curved with the fake one, whereas the real one is a bit more rectangular. And here I'm showing you the difference between the trim. The trim is matte on the fake one, but shiny on the real one. And you can see some stitching error on the fake one there. This is the black side of the coin pouch. To be fair, this looks quite legit to be fair on the fake one, but a key difference is the Louis Vuitton logo is not in the center where it is on the real one. And now just comparing the zips, the fake one, the zip is a lot more shiny and thicker, whereas it's a bit more matte on the real one. And you can see the width of the coin pouch is thinner on the real one. Okay, let's look at the second bag. So again, you can see the difference in color between the two. The fake one is more of a browny grey, whereas the real one is kind of like a cool grey. And just the trim here and the labeling, you can see the Louis Vuitton one is on leather and it's kind of shiny, whereas the fake one, the font is a lot bigger and it's more of a matte appearance. Just comparing the buckles, it's thicker on the real one, and again you have that matte trim. And here you can see them side by side. So yeah, you can see a difference in the shape. The fake one is a bit more curved, and the colour difference as well. Now let's look at the back side. You have these attachments here. On the fake one, they're very rigid. It's hard to move them, to be honest. If we're comparing it to the real one, this is a lot more agile. You can move it easily. And yeah, you can see it doesn't really move as easily on the fake one. But to be fair, comparing the pattern on both, the fake one does look fairly legit. I guess the pattern is a bit brighter in the fake one. Yeah, and just circling back to the dust bags, you can see a difference in size, difference in shape, even a difference in colour. The fake one's a bit more yellow. But yeah, you can see the difference in the font. Okay, let's look at the main bag now. So left one is real, fake one is on the right. And you can see there's also a random tag on the fake one as well, which actually has the Louis Vuitton logo on it. The real one is a little bit bigger than the fake one. But yeah, on the black side of these bags, the Louis Vuitton print is a lot brighter compared to the real one. It almost seems like the real one, its pattern is a bit more faded. But yeah, here you can see them side by side. Comparing the zips, it's shiny on the fake one. The real one, it's a bit more matte. To be honest, another key thing I didn't mention is the smell of the fake bag. It really smells like fake leather. It's a really strong smell. There's no smell, of course, coming from the real Louis Vuitton bag. And just comparing these attachments, it's a lot thicker and sturdier on the real bag, a bit more flimsy and cheaper, I guess, on the fake one. And you can see a bit of a colour difference between the zips. Stitching is obviously a lot better on the real one. And now the strap, the writing is a bit more shinier on the fake one. The spacing between the font is a little bit wider. And just the attachments as well, thicker and stronger on the real one. The trim here is a shiny leather. And you can see it's a matte appearance on the fake one, and the buckle is a lot smaller. Yeah, so it's a lot more flimsier. I think it will probably break, to be fair, because it doesn't seem very strong. But yeah, we've made it to the end of the video. If you found this useful, leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you think this is a good fake or a rubbish one. And yeah, thank you for watching.